Hey guys, so this video literally recorded it at the very beginning of August and it's now like the middle of October. So I don't really know what happened. I guess I just forgot to post it. So yeah, here's part 2 of that cake I was making. You probably don't even remember because it was so long ago. We're gonna start with the strawberry filling. So we need 2 cups of hulled and sliced strawberries, which I've never heard the word hulled before. It's H-U-L-L-E-D, but yeah, so I'll get back to you when I have 2 cups of strawberries. Okay, so we have our strawberries, 2 cups, and a medium saucepan on medium heat. I'm gonna let it heat up for a minute. So we're just gonna put in the strawberries. Okay, and dang, this seems like too many strawberries for this pan, but whatever. So yeah, I'm just gonna let these, oh wait, other ingredients. All right, so I have a 1/4 cup of sugar, which does not seem like very much for this many strawberries. I guess we'll just, oh, actually that seems like kind of a lot now that I'm putting it on here. All right, simmering. Oh, and we need liquid. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of lemon juice. All right, so 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice. I'm gonna add a tiny bit more just for fun. All right. Stir it up. Oh, it's smoking. Maybe it's steam. I don't know. This seems like it's so... Oh, it's quiet now. It stopped making noise. I don't know what that means. Okay, so the strawberries are all cooking now. And we're going to let this sit for a little bit, stirring it occasionally. Is that what it said? Just like stir sometimes. And combine the sliced strawberries, sugar, stirring occasionally until the strawberries break down and the mixture thickens slightly. Remove from heat, let cool completely. All right, in the meantime, we're gonna make the chocolate ganache. All right, Lily's chugging it for the views, the lemon juice.
I don't want it to like spill on your computer.
All right.
In there. Cheers.
Chug, there's probably some seeds in there. Ugh, how'd it taste?
Not bad.
All right.
It looks like just a little chap, so it was painful, but.
All right, so the strawberries are all cooked and they need to cool now. So they're off to the side, and now we're gonna make the chocolate ganache. I have 8 ounces of chopped semi-sweet chocolate and 1 cup of heavy cream. This is also just a saucepan on medium heat. Oh, might have been a little more than medium. It's on 5. It's only on 5. Mom, should I turn it down? It says medium heat and it was on 5 and it boiled when I poured it in.
You know, do you have it on the large burner or the small burner?
It's not large.
Put it on the small burner, but...
Is it still good or should I dump it?
No, it's probably okay as long as it's not burning. That's all right, but I would like put it half on and half off, and I would keep it moving, otherwise it will burn to the bottom of the pan.
Scrape the spatula.
What are you melting this?
Yeah.
You're gonna melt the chocolate in here?
Yes.
Okay.
That's what the robot told me.
I would put more in because it's cold. Okay. So, and then kind of keep it moving.
All right.
Yeah.
Ew, there's a yellow chunk in it.
Then just, you can get that out.
Got it out.
It's literally what butter is.
All right.
Yeah. Then gradually
we got the, what is this, heavy cream? Whipping cream?
Yeah, you gotta keep stirring it, otherwise it's gonna like burn and get chunky on the bottom, so keep moving it.
Okay,
well, let me just see what.
Still moving it. Is it hot?
Okay, no.
Okay. Well, now we can add in the chocolate. Gotta temporarily stop stirring. Oh, Lily, coming to the rescue.
I would wait until it gets hot before you add the chocolate, actually.
Okay, well, we're gonna wait until it gets hot to add the chocolate. All right, we're adding in the
Slowly.
chocolate.
I just don't want it to splash.
Yeah. It's melting?
Yes.
All right, teamwork makes the dream work.
Go.
Oh,
I just don't want it to splash.
Well, you pressured me.
I said go, not dump all of it.
Let me look at the next instructions. Mix. Heat the heavy cream in a saucepan over medium heat until it starts to simmer. Oh. Well, we kind of did it wrong, but it's okay. Remove from heat and add chopped chocolate. Let sit for a minute. I did not do this right. Let sit for a minute, then stir the chocolate until fully melted and the mixture is smooth. Set aside to cool and thicken. Well, I didn't do that right, but hopefully it'll still work. Well, if anything fails in this recipe, it should be the chocolate. And if the chocolate fails, we can't say for certain that it's the AI's fault, since I messed up. But this does seem to be coming together a lot better since I took it off the heat. Probably should have read the instructions, but you know, it's fine. There we go, we're gonna let that cool while we do the, what's the next thing? Chocolate whipped cream. This part is pretty simple. So for the whipped cream, I had this bowl and this beater chilled. It said to chill for like 15 minutes, but I chilled for like 4 hours just because I left. Didn't want to forget. So we're gonna pour in 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Oh, that splashed everywhere. It's fine. All right, then a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Is that what it said? Yep. 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Use this. And 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. A teaspoon of vanilla. And then it says you're gonna beat until soft peaks form, until stiff peaks form. So yeah, we're just gonna do that and show you what it looks like when it's done. How the whipped cream turned out. It's pretty thick. It's like not, like I wouldn't call it stiff peaks because there's like, I don't know, there's like so much air in it that doesn't really like peak. It just like moves around. So anyway, I think that's good. So let's move on to the next step. To assemble the cake, place 1 cake layer on a serving plate. I can do that. If I can get the, okay, there we go. Is that centered? Oh, it crumbled. What was going on? Why is it not even? Oh, it's so uneven. Whatever, it'll be fine. I believe in us. Oh my gosh, that's so not even. Whatever. Okay. Spread a layer of the cooled strawberry filling over the cake. All right. Dang, I feel like we did not need this many strawberries for this. Because this is the only layer of strawberries in the whole cake. This is kind of a weird order for this. I feel like normally you would put like something else, like a frosting or something down first and then the strawberries, but I guess not. What's gonna stop them from like falling out the side? All right, we got all the strawberries on. I don't know where to put this. Right there. All right. So we got all the strawberries on. What's next? Spread a layer of cooled strawberries, blah, blah, blah. Second layer of cake on top. And then the chocolate on top of all of that. Okay, this is not gonna end well, but that's what we're doing. Ah! I ripped the cake. Don't worry about it. All right. Ah! Oh shoot. Okay. We're golden. Doing great. Pour the chocolate ganache over the top of the cake, letting it drip down the sides. That sounds messy. This also seems a little too thick for that to happen. Oh, no it's not. Okay, well, let's go. Oh, that's a weird consistency. We're gonna go with all of it. All right, there we go. Well, it's all dripping to one side, so just gonna give it a little suggestion to go this way. All right. I feel like we need a spatula. It's not quite dripping over the sides like it says it should. Maybe it's because I did it wrong. Maybe it's because AI is faulty. Who knows? the world may never know. One of my siblings the other day told me that like AI is like getting dumber because it like learns from people using it. And so like apparently like before, this is not going well. Apparently before it could like solve like 98% of math problems correctly, and now it's like really bad and like can't do that. So yeah, this is not going well. Oh wait, this was a good idea. Oh no, it wasn't. Well, I don't really know how to save this. It's a little uneven. I'm gonna clean up the around of this cake a little bit and then do the frosting. Edges of the cake cleaned up, so now we're moving on to the whipped cream. It says frost the sides of the cake with the whipped cream. It's a very thick whipped cream, so I don't really know the best way to do this. Just, it's not gonna like stick. Oh, that's just, now there's just chocolate on the spatula. It's not gonna be a pretty cake. This is not working. Oh, you can't even see that. But there's how this is going. Not well. That's for sure. Oh, can you hear Leo? It's an hour past his bedtime. Leo, what you doing?
We forgot to get Isaac a present.
We'll do that tomorrow.
Okay.
Because his party's not till tomorrow night.
I'm still recording, Leo.
Oh, this looks pretty good.
No, it doesn't. It looks so bad.
When I said it looks good, I meant it looks like it will taste good.
Yeah,
I was talking about looks.
that's probably true. All right, so this is not going well. As you may or may not be able to see, it's pretty, not pretty. Okay, this is looking better. Still not looking good, but looking better. No one saw that. All right, this is a very ugly cake, but it's fine. Now we'll frost. Oh, that didn't work. Okay, abandon that idea. Okay, I'm gonna clean up the edges again and garnish with strawberries, and then we can see the final product. All right, here's the final product with cake. It's not pretty, but that's not the AI's fault. That's just me. I tried to do this little strawberry rose with no reference or instructions, and it's a little scary looking, but it's fine. And then I did these little, yeah. So anyway, there's a cake. Oh, I tried to clean up so you wouldn't see how messy the counter space is, but it's okay. Also, that's still over there, and that's still over there, but that's the main focus right here. And then we just gotta try it, but it's 10:15. We'll just try it tomorrow. All right, we're back. Leo's being annoying as usual. The cake. Oh, it touched the side of the thing a little bit, but we're good. Oh, the top of it is like
A flower.
no, it like hardened. Chocolate hardened. It did say stop. What is it? The last step was actually to let sit for 30 minutes for the ingredients to melt together. So, yeah. Also, let me just show you the whipped cream. I tried to save some of it so I could like put on a waffle this morning for breakfast, and it got like harder. I feel like it's like darker and stiffer, or at least it looks like it, but I don't really know. All right, let's cut the cake.
What are you doing?
Cutting the cake.
It's before dinner.
It's a snack.
You can't have dessert as a snack.
What?
Yeah,
We have
on
dessert
video.
for breakfast half the time. Like most breakfast
You
foods.
said moist on the internet. You're
What?
not allowed on the internet anymore. Get out.
He said what?
Moist on the internet.
No, he didn't.
Yes, he did. In your video where you made the Oreo cake.
Oh, okay. I don't
Very
care.
moist.
Moist is my favorite word, actually. So
Okay, so would Mom let you have this as a snack, or would she
I
say?
don't know. I would have done it if she was here.
And what would she have said?
I don't know.
Are we recording?
Yes, because I was doing it for my YouTube video because I made the cake for the video.
Oh, God. All right, whatever.
All right, let's cut the cake. Let's try it. Gotta get some of everything. Gotta get some of the whipped cream from the outside. What did you get? Any strawberry? Very good. Okay, Leo, don't eat the whole piece. You had like 3 bites and I had 1.
I know, and you should get one of everything.
Oh my goodness. Well,
That was a pretty good cake.
the cake itself is a little dry.
But it still tastes good.
Well, yeah, but we gotta criticize the things that are bad so that AI can improve. All right, well, I mean, it's definitely gonna get eaten, so yeah, I'd say it was a success. The chocolate on top looks a little jank, but that could be because I messed it up when I was making it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, are you cereal? Here we go. Okay. So, I'd say it's a win. Wait, no. Oh, Julia wants the last piece. Oh, that was embarrassing. There's no strawberries on your piece, though. Okay. It's like the best part. There's also no whipped cream. Marshmallow. Oh yeah, we were at camp today. I already changed though because I'm a counselor and in my group they gave the counselors yellow polos because we're a yellow group. So they gave us yellow polos to all match. So I changed. But Julia was green group. I'm green group. Also, Julia got a haircut. So did I, but you can't really tell because my hair is long anyway.
I got a haircut.
Yes.
Can't really tell.
Alright,
Unless you
well,
see me in person.
thank you all for watching this video. It's...
Delicious.
You see what I have to live with?
It's delicious.
Okay.
The video is delicious.
Anyway, if you want to see a video where I make cookies, or no, cheesecake, click right there. Little mini. Oh, okay. Click right there to watch the video where we make mini Oreo cheesecakes. Bye. Stop it.